Electric big batch trolley with flexible both flaps adjustment. Extra compact design, fits limited workspace. Both sides could be adjustable, with different angles to fit different size batches. One operator enough, flexible and effortless handling batches. Heavy capacity 3000 kgs, stable and safe operation always. Move steadily and smoothly, with stepless speed regulation. Operation handle and wheel synchronization, handling heavy with ease. EPS steering, flexible turning always. Single wheel movement, swiftly adjust the trolley, accurate positioning. Fast charging with long-lasting power, use without anxiety. Reach out us for customized solutions today.